Today is February 3rd. Today's quote is entitled, "The Real Problem." Fault finding is not the problem, but rather a symptom of a faulty consciousness. In fact, so many of our problems are but symptoms of a consciousness antithetical to the mood and mentality of a Vaishnava. So this is interesting because a lot of times when we're looking at problems, we try to go to the problem and solve it. Like, how could I stop fault finding? So maybe I could wear a rubber band and every time I find fault or complain, I zap myself. And after a while, my wrist will be so sore, I won't want to find fault with anyone because I can't stand the pain any longer. Okay, that's like when you get angry, count to 10. It's not the real solution. Neither is the anger or the fault finding or whatever it is that's showing up that's not Krishna conscious. That's generally not really the problem. The problem is the mentality that's creating it. So what is the mentality of a person who finds fault? It's not a Krishna conscious mentality. So the problem is not the fault finding. The problem is the mentality, and the fault finding is an effect of the mentality. A Vaishnava does not find fault. Prabhupada said that that is our philosophy. A Vaishnava doesn't find fault. So, strictly speaking, we could say, based on that definition, that anyone who finds fault is not a Vaishnava. Just like Prabhupada said something very heavy. When devotees gave up their devotional service, fell down, went away, they'd ask Prabhupada, how did that happen? How could a devotee fall down? And Prabhupada said, if they've fallen down, they were never devotees. Wow, heavy. So what does Prabhupada mean? He means they probably never adopted the mentality of a devotee. They never had the right attitude, although their body was engaged. And so, if I want to be a devotee, I have to work on that mentality. If I change the mentality, automatically the problem will go away. So if I just try to sort out my fault-finding tendency externally without understanding the cause of it, then it's going to be a problem. You agree? Yeah, it definitely will be a problem. So think about the mentality of a Vaishnava. Vaishnava's mentality is to always think others are better. If I somehow or other saw others better than I am, I wouldn't fault find, right? Of course not. Now you might say, how is it possible? But at least we want to try to understand and gradually adopt the mentality of a Vaishnava, however difficult that may be. Do it as a practice, a sadhana. Understand the mentality of a devotee and act that way. That's Krishna consciousness.